Hi everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, I hope you find some things you like to watch and you hang around for a while and maybe subscribe, and then you'll see everything that I get. So everything that I do lots of stuff. And if you are returning, thank you so much. And let's roll with this, right? So I have some things here to show you today from Diamond Art Gift. They have nice stuff. I like Diamond Art Gift a lot. So let's show you what we have. Let's see. Let's make sure I have the right things here. Okay, let's start with this. So I have this cute little painting. It's just a little 30 by 30, so it's really 25 by 25. It does have this white background, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but it's okay. I mean, it has a lot of special drills. You can see the 7s and the 8s are large drills. I think the rest of it is primarily rhinestones, but it was just the colors struck me as super pretty. That's the type of toolkit it comes with. There's 8 different shaped drills here. Let's see what they are. Oh, I'm looking over at the next one I'm going to show you, and I love it. I can't help. I'm looking ahead. I'm cheating. All right, so we have green, blue. That's a pink. I thought it was red at first, but it's pink. Lighter pink, like a salmon, an orange, a blue. Oh, there's our one little teardrop looking pink, and we have these orange claw looking. So that, I was right, there are only 2 specials. The little pinks go here and the oranges will go there. All right, okay, there's that one. Well, there's the number one. Oh, this is gonna be fun. I like this. Okay, are you ready? This is my childhood coming out at you here, right? Yeah, I'm a 70s girl, man. I was born in the 60s, right? You know, grew up in the 70s, and this is fun, isn't it? There were several of these. There were different varieties, but remember the VW wagon van things? They were fun, right? People would just trick them out and do all kinds of fancy stuff, and they'd be party hangouts and whatnot. It's just, you know, I know some other people out there that will relate. I know, I see you. You know who you are. I know who you are. Anyhow, this looks fun, doesn't it? We got some special drills down here. We have some right in here. And there's some more up in the top, and the flowers. It's just this VW Volkswagen van just covered with flowers. It's like, we're going to Woodstock, baby, you know? I was not old enough to go to Woodstock. I mean, I see it clearly, but that was before my time. But that's what it reminds you of, doesn't it? It's fun. It's got 13 different drills. Let's see what they are. I'm always looking for the fun ones. Is there something new that I've never seen, right? Clear rhinestones, red rhinestones, just some black, pink, gold, green, orange, another type of an orange, another green. So here's our special ones. Round orange faceted AB, red and orange AB faceted marquees. We have these little gold guys. There's gold on the bottom, no, gold on the top, crystal on the bottom. I still don't understand why they do that. And then we have these pretty pink teardrops, all AB and faceted and stuff. Those are gorgeous. Bet you that's going to go right here and right here. Love it. They're pretty. Okay, love that one. All right, I'm kind of in a theme here, very colorful, psychedelic kind of theme, because look at that bad boy right there. I haven't gotten a full drill in a long time, but this one, the colors in this butterfly, I was like, yes, please. Now, is it going to be all black in the background? Yes, it is. All of this background is black, but man, is that just going to pop right off there, right? With all that color. It has 24 different colors. I love the colors in it. Can you say hello rainbow, right? I mean, it's gorgeous. Let's look at them. We'll look at them real quick like. Okay, let go of my bag. Let go of the bag. Okay, oh, this is all separate. Oh, I'll just take that strip right there. I love that strip. We got teal, blue, salmon. Where's number 21? Where's number 21? Oh, well, we have no 21. Okay. Number 21 is supposed to be 3820, and it is not here. Why are these all? Oh, those are all just the Kit number ZQ137. All right, well, I don't have any of those. I don't have any 21s. Well, that's sad. Huh. Well, let's keep rolling. What else do we have? Brown, green, blues, couple blues, tans, green, red, pinks, purple. That's got to be 550. Am I right? Yep. Blue, gray. Oh, look at all that black. 3 bags of black for that background. A red and a burgundy. Well, I will have to go do some hunting for some 3820s. We don't have any of those. Oh, and it's a core key color too. Look, it's all of this stuff, all that yellow. And we don't have them. Well, that's sad. All right, well, there's that one. I'd need a lot of those. I don't know what I have in my stash. I have no idea. All right, last item. Oh, love this. Love, love, love this. Okay. Come on. Open up. Open, open, open. Open, open, open. Any idea what I have here? I bet you know. I bet you know. Let's see. Come on. Come on. I keep looking at these. I looked up who this was from, this order was from, and I was like, yes, yes. I love these. So they're keychains, as we know. Thicker plastic, right? Acrylic. Look at this one. Love. It says love. And it's a sunflower. And look at all the colors. Look at all the colors in the love, right? Love it. Double-sided, which is weird because, you know, it's backwards on the other side because it's a word, but that's okay. Look at this one. Look at this one. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. Right, Kara? Right? That's what we say, isn't it? Us teacher people. So it's on the other side too, but it's backwards again. But look at the colors. All the lettering down here is different colors. The heart's different colors and a big sunflower. Love it. Okay, what's this one? Love needs no words. Love these. I love these, right? You could call these for pride if you want to, or you can just call them, this is how the world should be, right? This is how the world should be. Different is beautiful. Love it. I love that there's sunflowers and rainbow. And look, there's even one little gnome. Just one, guys, just one. Little gnome girl, she's holding a heart, and then she's got her big sunflower, all the different colors. She's got a puzzle piece. Did you see that? And then there's this one. Love needs no words, right? Do you need to speak to show love? No. There's a little boy right now, and I give a big hug too. I do. All right, let's keep going. Okay. Sorry about that. Life happens, you know. All right, yellow rhinestones. Orange, green, purple, reddish orange color, brighter orangey gold colors, more orange, more purple, blue, all the rainbow, everything's here, right? And then we get some bright yellow ABs. I hope those are going to be in all of the sunflowers. We have some gold teardrops, and then we have some orange faceted rounds that are AB. I hope that those are in the flowers. It's H, so let's see. No, they're not in the flowers. I don't even know where they're at. Wait, are they? No, I don't see any H's. Where's the H's? Do we have the right colors? Don't be the wrong drills. Come on. H is not that color. W. Where's W? Don't tell me they're wrong. Z. 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 Z or teardrop. Okay, that works. I don't know. I don't know where the H's are. Okay, I'm gonna have to look at this further. Hopefully they're right. Maybe I'm just missing it. I get a little emotional and weird. So anyhow, I love the keychains. We'll figure it out. I'll check this over and see that it's correct. So anyhow, that's what I have today. If you're new here, sorry, I don't always do that. It just hit me. It just hit me. Okay, sorry. There's a reason, and I'm not going to talk about it. But anyhow, thanks for watching, and I will. I'll let you know how this all turned out, if I have the right drills or not. Okay. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.